welcome back to my channel on my lovely countertop. Remember my last video, I was telling you we're in the process of moving back to the States, so I'm still continuing to cook because I have to cook on the go for my family versus eating out fast food. I opted to make simple meals. So I have 3 chicken breasts that I've cubed up. I have some fresh tomato, I have some pesto and linguine, and I have some spices, some garlic salt, and some, you know I love my adobo sauce, and also some parsley and olive oil and butter for the sauce. The sauce is the pesto. Basically, I'm making a chicken pesto linguine. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I hear the water in the back boiling on the stove. So let's go ahead and get started with the pasta. All right, so we'll check on the boiling water. And I've already salted the water. So it's good and ready for the linguine. And I have a 500 gram bag of linguine. You can use it all depends on your family size. But I'd like to use at least half, but you can use how much you would like for the size of your family. Bag will serve about a family of 4 is what I have experienced in the past. But this is a pasta pot that I purchased, so it kind of helps the pasta stick down instead of having to stand up in the corners of the pot. But I like it, getting used to it. Different, but we're gonna go ahead and let this boil for about 10 minutes or until al dente, and we're gonna go ahead and stir it up as well. And we're gonna start on the chicken. So handy dandy tongs. And just give this a whirl. I know the pan's hot right there. I'm just going to use it for the chicken. Basics of 3 ingredients. The pasta, the chicken, the pesto. It's just 3 ingredients. I'm just adding some spices and some tomatoes and the mixture. So eat quick and simple. Just going to give it a little kick with all my other ingredients. So let me grab the olive oil and chicken. Yeah. I'm going to put about 3 tablespoons. I'm also trying out this new spoon spatula. It's by the Curry family, the wife. So I'm gonna, if you see, it's like a spoon instead of the flat. It comes in 2 pieces. So the spatula and the spoon spatula.
Nice.
By Miss Curry. So I'm gonna try out the spoon spatula for the chicken. So let's go ahead and. Cooking, the linguine's cooking. We're gonna go ahead and allow this to cook down, and I'll be back. So, looks like the chicken is cooking away. I'm gonna give it a little flip, and I'm cooking this on a medium high. Now, if you want, turn it down, you can. But I like my chicken brown. You see how the spoon is making? Okay. I like that. Alright, so let's go ahead and cook this. Alright, so while that cooks, let's go ahead and get the pasta stir. Not too much. We're gonna go ahead and let that continue to cook and continue to cook the chicken. sweetness. And I'll be back. All right, so the chicken's already brown and good to go. I've drained the pasta. I'm gonna go ahead and add the pesto sauce. Take this off and we're gonna go ahead and plate everything up. All right, so we're all plated up and ready to go. Chicken Pesto Linguine. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Cheers.